Hello, and welcome to our next edition of Black Love Reviews. I'm TK.
I'm KG. What's up?
And today we are reviewing Goldbelly. Grab that.
Oh, that's what this called?
That's sign right
this?
there.
Oh, okay.
And hold it up. Goldbelly.
Goldbelly.
Okay, so...
Wow.
Give me that. You're going to spill something. Boo.
Goldbelly. Oh, my bad.
So Goldbelly is a website that will let you purchase items that you normally would not be able to purchase from different states. So if you are interested in getting a New York pizza, you can go through Goldbelly to get it.
Oh.
You are interested in
okay. Whatever the hell we got.
This is
then you get whatever the hell we get.
Lobster rolls.
Lobster rolls, that's right. So
if you're interested in lobster rolls, you can get it through this website.
Yeah.
So what I ended up getting...
Authentic lobster rolls, I'm guessing, right?
So what I ended up getting was the meal for two. It consists of clam chowder.
Clam chowders. You know what you're saying?
The lobster rolls, of course.
Oh my God. You see that stain coming out? You see that stain, baby?
Okay, you gonna...
Steamy, baby. Huh?
Clam chowder, lobster rolls.
That's yours.
And...
That's mine.
For dessert, they give us a blueberry bread pudding.
Yeah.
So...
Shaped like a heart.
Yeah, it's shaped like a heart.
Like a motherfucking heart. Oh.
Okay, so first thing we're going to try is the clam chowder. I already put it in a bowl for us. So, okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, 3. Okay, hold up.
I gotta taste that again.
Hold up, let me let y'all peek this. Let me tell y'all something. Let me tell you, look. Y'all see these pieces in here? I don't think y'all understand. Look. Look at this. My bad. I'm messing up. Players mess up. But look.
Come on, man. Move out the way.
Hold on, girl. They got it. See, look at them.
You getting ready to sit on one of the cats, too. Okay.
Delicious.
Right.
It's fire. Huh?
Okay. So, this is pretty good.
Oh, yeah. So, let me get down to the gritty, though. Because, hold on.
It's got potatoes.
Of course, potatoes.
Clam.
Of course, clam. And look, nice chunks of clam, too.
Chunks of clam. But it also has chunks of lobster.
Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah. Because...
You know what?
When you...
The aftertaste just hit me.
In the instructions, when you warm it up, it tells you to, put some of the lobster in there. So I did.
Okay.
And it's got celery.
Of course.
And I can't tell what else is in here. But it's good. I like it. I feel like it's not overly seasoned.
Hold up, y'all. Hold up.
If you're somebody that likes salt, you might want to add a little. But for somebody like me,
Look at that nice ass lobster.
I mean, I love salt.
Nice ass lobster right there.
I love salt, but I don't feel like I need to put any additional salt in here.
You don't need no more salt. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. This right here. No.
Yeah, this was pretty good. Okay. So for sake of the video, we're gonna keep going.
Alright.
So next we have lobster rolls.
Okay.
Is that butter? Oh my god.
Yeah, that's some little butter.
Look at butter.
Yeah.
Okay, so for the lobster roll, they give you these. They give you this bread.
Ooh, you see this bread?
And they also give you butter, so you toast the bun with you put the butter on there and toast it like you would do a grilled cheese. And then in the inside there is mayonnaise, and then of course
There's mayonnaise.
Lobster meat.
That's a whole heap right there. That's a whole heap.
And yeah, like when I first looked at the container of meat, I thought that doesn't look like enough. But when I started
that's a whole
putting
heap
the
right
food
there.
together, it definitely was more than enough meat.
All right, so what we do? What we do with this butter right here? Do we dip it?
You can dip it in the butter. Yeah, there should be extra butter left over. If y'all not crazy about butter, there should be extra butter left over for you to dip.
All right.
So Rob's gonna take his bite.
I'm gonna dip it. Let me get in your face real quick. You know what? That meat is fresh. That meat tastes like it's fresher than, you know what I'm saying?
This came directly from Maine.
Man,
Oh wow, that's good.
that don't taste like no red lobster right there. No. Absolutely not.
I came from Maine, guys. That's good. Oh my god.
I don't care if it came from the main or the side. That's good right there. You don't say none of
He's
that.
definitely gonna finish that off camera.
But you know, camera.
We gotta taste the bread pudding.
Alright.
Okay, so for dessert, they gave us a bread pudding in the shape of a heart. So we're gonna taste that and see how we like it. I'll let him taste it first.
Hello.
I should have had some water.
Still salivating on that lobster roll.
It was good.
Yeah.
Blueberry bread pudding.
So, I don't really be fucking with bread pudding. But that bread pudding, where is that?
It's good.
It's good.
We're gonna warm this up. Like this is not even completely warmed up.
Okay.
We gonna
No,
warm that up and finish this off.
Yeah.
But actually, yeah, you could eat it cold because it's good.
I'm just gonna lick the corner right here.
Don't lick the plate.
My bad.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is
Tell you can't work with people
yeah,
sometimes.
this you can't look. Oh, okay. I'm finna get to work. Okay, guys, so check this out.
Okay,
So this clammy chowder right here.
here's what we think about
This clammy chowder right here. I'm gonna give that a 12 out of 12.
No, it's up to 10. If you're giving it a 12, that's beyond 10.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna give it a 12 out of 12. You know what I'm saying?
I think it's safe to say that we give
This is good.
the Maine lobster roll meal
man.
for 2 10 out of 10.
Alright, what was this site?
The site is goldbelly.com, and we are
Goldbelly.
going to have a link in the description for anybody who will be interested in purchasing something from Goldbelly.
So this what you do, right?
This is not something that I would say do all the time. This is definitely more of a special occasion type.
You probably do this probably like, you know,
type deal.
probably once a month or
Unless
something.
you got it like that.
Yeah, unless you just like
because this meal for
Mac,
2
but-
to get it delivered next day. Well, I placed my order on Tuesday and I got it today.
Man.
So to get
Man. I done dipped it in the crack, man. I done dipped it in the clam chowder, bro. Let me tell you right now. Hey, I can do this twice a month. It's worth it.
but what I was trying to say before I was so busy listening to him moan about his food. I spent with shipping $144 for this meal.
I can do this once a month.
But that's because this particular meal did not offer free shipping. There's plenty of things on goldbelly.com that do offer free shipping. So don't let that discourage you from going to the website and giving something a try a different city.
It's not discouraging me from eating this. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You know what I'm saying? This is like some top restaurant stuff. You know what I'm saying?
So like we say, it's a yes for the
hell yeah
for the meal, and
it's a stone cold hell yeah.
Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will be back with our next video. And please don't forget to leave comments below on what you might like for us to try.
No, we'll try stuff for you, girl.
Thank you guys.
I don't got no cheese in it because I don't like cheese.
Have a great evening.